Audited the things that you're really good at, the problems that you've solved, you've pinpointed that exact thing, your profitable parent problem. And you know what other families are desperate to solve. So the big question now is, how do we turn that idea into an automated revenue stream so you can stop trading time for money? That will extend value to other people while you can focus on the things that matter most, the quality of life that you've dreamed of. And here's where most people get stuck. And I see this online and in communities all the time. They think they need some massive 2,000 high ticket priced course, some fancy software, a whole team to design it. And here's the truth. Your first, most profitable automated offer should be shockingly simple and solve just one urgent problem. You don't need to solve them all. There are 3 types of automated offers that you can build in a weekend with realistic family budget that allows you to save money. How to build a better relationship with your spouse. How to get your teenager to talk to you. You can literally make it in Google Docs and Canva. You can save it as a PDF, attach it to a link, and then you can exchange it with other people and provide value and create an income stream. You can do a mini course or a workshop, a 30 to 60 minute recorded video on your iPhone or your Samsung or whatever phone that you use that has a camera, walking somebody through the solution. You record it, you upload it, and then you sell access to it. It's simple, it's easy. Or you can simply do a challenge, a 5-day email challenge to get your kids to do their chores. It can be super engaging. It can be so simple, but it exchanges so much value. I have a 13-year-old and his face is constantly in the phone. And if you produced a challenge that allowed me to communicate with him and get him to focus on different things rather than just getting his face in the phone, I'd pay for that. The key is to focus on solving one problem, and then you put that into a formula. Don't try to solve everything at once. Just one specific pain point that you've identified in the previous video. And for the tools, forget the complicated stuff. We're talking about free or nearly free things like Google Docs, Canva, or a super simple selling platform like Gumroad. It's about getting started, people, not perfection. And now you have the power to create your first automated offer. And you can do it this weekend. No excuses. And if you're ready to see just how easy it is to launch your product and have it selling while you're taking your kids to a playground or going to their baseball game, then hit that subscribe button. Because in the next video, we're going to build your low-tech sales funnel. So let's make that income freedom a reality. Hit subscribe, turn on those notifications.